Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this is my wallet. It says I have 7,000 USD total asset. I have a lot of money here in the wallet earn section. I have like 20,000. I mean, that's what it says here. It also says I have $7,000 worth of Notcoin here. So you can see all of this. When I go to the ton space here, it says I have 20,000 worth of assets. If I expand this, you're going to see 12,000 of staked ton. So it's like a lot of money. Just looking at this, this is $89,000. So a lot of crypto traders share screenshots like this. A lot of crypto trading YouTubers also share screenshots like this and videos, and they tell you what to buy, and they tell you, Notcoin is doing well or doing bad, and stuff like that. Notcoin is doing well, by the way, right now, but that's not the point. The point is a lot of people will deceive you by just showing you everything you see here on screen. If you look at this, you'd be like, yo, this dude is rich. Like, this is $89,000. This is $20,000. Like, this is a lot of money, right? And it's very easy for you to believe it because look at it. It's all in your face. It's the truth. The numbers are there. The numbers don't lie, right? But here's actually what's going on. My currency at the moment is not US dollars. It's actually Argentinian peso. That's why it's showing that. If I change this to United States dollars, just watch, and I go back, this is actually my actual asset in USD. This is how much I have in my wallet and section. This is how much I have in my ton space. Actually, this is how much I have here, in terms of like Notcoin. I did have more than this, but I moved most of it to Bybit, but that's not the point. The point is my total asset is less than $200 right here on Telegram right now. This is 99, this is 22. So this is the actual amount in USD that I have, not what you saw earlier. Now, this happens a lot where creators do this thing where they, show you stuff in a different currency. And if you really check it, it's that way because $50, for example, is 44,825 Argentinian peso. So it looks like a lot of money when it's in Argentinian peso. And the thing with Argentinian peso is they use the US symbol. So that's why when you change this, when you go to your settings and you change this to, Argentinian peso, it still carries the US dollar symbol. But this is not the actual amount. This is not your actual amount in actual USD. So don't be deceived. A lot of people who are saying that they are making millions in the crypto space are actually not making millions. Don't let the YouTube videos and and all of that deceive you. Most of us are really just watching our wallets like every second and just managing our risk. We don't throw money around. Don't throw money around and invest wisely. Do your research. Very important. I'll see you guys. Bye.